virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Okay, now we will move to the chapter. Hello children, welcome to Virtual Training Center Dadar. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we are going to learn mathematics of standard 3rd and the topic is addition without carrying over. Yes students, you know about 3-digit numbers, how to write them, how to read them and how to make 3-digit numbers from the given numbers. You know about ascending order, descending order and expanded form of the numbers, correct? Today we will move to learn about the addition of 3-digit numbers. Okay? Here two friends, that is Sonu and Monu. Both of them are studying in standard 3rd. They are sitting in front of each other. Both of them have purses. Okay, Sonu has 5 purses and Monu has 3 purses. Now together they became 8 purses, isn't it? Okay, each purse has 100 beads. Means that Sonu has 5 purses means 500 beads, correct? And Monu has 3 purses means 300 beads. Now we will add them. 500 plus 300 is equal to how many hundred? Yes, you are right. That is 800. Very good. Like this we have to do the addition. Yes, Sonu and Monu both again they are sitting in front of each other, right? Now they have some notes and coins. They both have some 100 rupees notes, some 10 rupees notes and some 1 rupee coins. Okay students, we will count them one by one. First we will take about the 100 rupees notes. Now Sonu has 100 rupee note and Monu has 200 rupees notes. So it is 1 plus 2 means it is 300 rupees notes together. Correct? Now we'll count 10 rupees notes. Sonu has 3 notes of 10 rupees and Monu has only 1 note of 10 rupees. So that is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 10 rupee notes both together have. Correct? Now we will count the coins. Sonu has 2 coins of 1 rupees and Monu has 5 coins of 1 rupees. So together means 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 1 rupee coins they have. Correct? Like this we can do the addition. Yes, dear children, please look at the picture. Here one purse is there that has 100 beads and 2 tens, that is 10 beads are there and 1 unit, that is 1 single bead is there. Okay, now in the second one 200 beads purses and 1 tens and 3 units means 3 single beads. Now we will add them. Now you know how many purses together here now? 3 purses we will get and 3 tens and 4 units. See there? 300 rupee, the 100 beads purses and 3 tens and 4 units. Got that? Now students, same picture I have taken here. Correct? We know the total also here. Now we will write this in the table. See, this is a table. Here I will write unit place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay. Now in the first row, how many hundred is there? 100, because 100 bead purse is there, and tens, 2 tens, and units how many are there? 1 unit. 1 U means unit. Okay. In the second row, we have 200, 1 10 and 3 unit. Now dear students, we will add this. Okay. Now in hundreds place, in tens place and in units place, what number will come, we'll see. And remember children, always we start addition from the unit place. Okay. See here, 3 plus 1 is 4 unit. In the tens place, 2 plus 1 is 3 tens. And in hundreds place, 100 plus 200 is equal to 300. Got this?
Friends, you know how to write and add the numbers in the table, correct? Now we will proceed to the next table.
Okay. Now here one more table we will draw. Same thing we will write in the another way. See here, units, tens, hundreds. Now we know that here 1 I will write, 1 H I will not write, and here 2, only 2 I will write, and only 1 I will write. Means here how to read? 1 unit, 2 tens, 1 hundred, because we are putting the number under the columns of units, tens and hundreds. Got this? Okay. Here again 200, 110, 3 units. Now we will add this. Now here 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus 2 is 3. Now in the next column and further we will write like this. Okay. Yes, students, see this picture. Look at the picture and write the numbers and add them. Okay, here we will see. First we will observe the picture. 2 plus 3 purses means that became 5 purses. And here 4 tens plus 4 tens, that became 8. And here together it became again 8 beads, single beads. Now same thing we will write in the table. You know now how to write in the table, correct? Now in 100 place, in the first row 2 will come, and tens place 4, and in units place 3. Am I right? Correct. Then in the second row 3 purses of 100 are there, and 4 tens are there, and 5 units are there. Now we will put addition mark here. Now we will start adding from the unit place. 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 3 is 5. Got this, children? This is answer, that is 588 is the answer. Carry out the addition. See here, 2 sums are there, we will add them. Always we add from unit place, correct? See here, 3 plus 6 is 9. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, isn't it? We'll move to the second sum. 6 plus 3 is 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. Observe 2 sums. Now 2 more sums we will take. 53 plus 13. Okay, 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now here 13 plus 53. That is 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. In the third pair, 36 plus 10, that is 6 plus 0 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now here in the last sum, 0 plus 6 is 6, 1 plus 3 is 4. Yes, students? Did you observe anything here? See that in the first two sums, the order is changed. See these plus two sums, that order is changed. First is 33 plus 16, here 16 plus 33. Here also we change the order. Got this? Here also we change the order. But what about the answer? 49, 49. Here 66, 66. Again 46, 46. Means what we find out here?
My dear friends, remember this. Even when the orders of number is changed, they add up to the same number.
Arrange vertically and add. Okay. Here number is given 234 plus 342. Now first we will see the meaning of vertically. See students, vertically means in standing position. See this. Means one below the other. Now students, we will draw a table. Now we will write units, tens and hundreds. Now we will write 234 in the first row and 342 in the second row. Got this? Now I will put addition mark. Now we will add from the units place. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. Got this, children? This is known as arrangement that is in vertically position. Okay?
Wow! Friends, you know now how to write the numbers in vertical arrangement.
One more example we will see, that is 104 plus 244. Okay? Again we will draw the table. We will write units, tens and hundreds. We will write number 104 in the first row and 244 in the second row. Okay? We will add them from the unit place. 4 plus 4 is 8. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay?
Nice, friends, you have done that.
Now arrange horizontally and add. We know that vertically arrangement means that is in standing position. Correct? Now here we will see what is the meaning of horizontally. Or horizontal arrangement means here sleeping position. See this. Okay? Now we will solve this sum by arranging them in horizontal position. See, this is one table is there, units, tens and hundreds. 435. The first number I have written like this because it will become easy to understand. Okay, now plus in between and one more table. Again we will write here units, tens and hundreds. Now I will write 540. Okay, now students, in this position we have to add them. Remember students, this here always we have to add units place to the unit place. Means 5 is in the unit place and 0 is in the unit place. So always we have to add the numbers of unit place first. See, 5 plus 0 and we have to write that answer in the unit place. Remember this. Got this? And now we will move to the tens place. See here 3 is there and 4 is there. So we are going to add the tens place. That is 3 plus 4. That is nothing but 7. Correct? Where we will write that 7? In the tens place. So here I will write 7. Now we will move to hundreds place. Now see here 4 is there in the hundreds place and 5 is there in the hundreds place. So we will add 4 plus 5. Okay? And where we will write the answer? In the hundreds place. So that is we will write 9 in the hundreds place. Okay?
Friends, remember this is horizontal arrangement.
Now one more example we will solve. That is 205 plus 321. Yes, you know the columns now. 205 plus next column here 321. Now we will add. First we will make the table here. It will become easy to write the answer. Correct? We will start from, yes, very good, from the unit place. Unit place has 5 plus 1. That is nothing but 6. Correct? Now we'll move to tens place. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Right? Next we'll move to hundreds place. That is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Got this, students? This is called horizontal position. We get the same answer if you do the sum in vertical position or in the horizontal position. Okay?
Good. Friends, you have done this too.
Yes, students. Just now we have completed the page number 19 and 20. And some examples are there and some sums are there to solve on page number 19 and 20. Please go through them and try to solve them. Okay? Thank you and take care.
Thank you very much, students, for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.